A roof is one of the most important parts of the home. It not only protects you and your family from the elements, it also preserves the value of your home and everything in it. It's a big investment, and you want to make sure you get it right. Mighty Dog Roofing is here to help.
The most important thing about a home, I believe, is a roof. It's what protects everything underneath. We have 4 seasons in New England. We can have 0 degrees in the middle of February and 95 in the middle of July. So your home needs a roof that can survive and perform, function in those temperature variations. Your roof needs attention when cosmetically it's having some issues. Inside your home, in the attic, is there a leak there? Maybe 1 leak can be fixed, but if you have 2, 3, 4 leaks, that tells me your system is failing. The age of the roof is another one. If you're over 20 years old, it's time to start thinking about a new roof.
Mighty Dog Roofing installs long-lasting roofing systems all over the Boston area. Whether you're looking for an entirely new roof or minor repairs, if you give Mighty Dog Roofing a call, you won't have a shingle problem.
I think it's important to educate the customer to develop some trust. In a sense, you want to show your expertise, your knowledge of your craft. The best customer is an educated customer. People call us not knowing if they need a roof. They need some analysis, a diagnosis. We look at the penetrations that go through your roof. These are some of the weaker points of a roof. These areas, if they are failing, there's probably a need there for a new roof. Mighty Dog Roofing prides itself in its customer service with giving people that assurance that this is someone who is dedicated to me, is looking for a successful outcome of this project. What makes Mighty Dog Roofing unique is a credibility and accountability that maybe some other roofers don't have. I would say it's a no-pressure sales process. We come out to the home and we educate. Our other companies, they'll tell you that your roof is about $30,000, but if you act now, you can do it for $25,000. And that's a little bit of pressure. Little do they tell you that the roof should actually cost about $18,000. So you think you're getting a deal, but you're really not.
Not all roofs are the same. From the materials to the contractor, partnering with a reputable company is the best way to repair or replace your roof.
There are several types of roofs that are out there. Most popular, especially in New England, is asphalt shingle. All the major manufacturers out there offer asphalt shingles that have an algae preventative in them. At Mighty Dog Roofing, we look at the install process as a 3-day event. The day before, the materials in the dumpster will arrive. On the day of installation, we'll tarp the home to protect all the shrubbery and landscaping, as well as your porch and everything around. We're going to make some noise. There's going to be a lot of nailing, a lot of people walking around, cleaning up all this debris that's coming down. We'll load it into the dumpster, and the process continues with everything involved with putting on the roof. We call it a 3-day process because simply on the 3rd day, that dumpster is going to be removed. Mighty Dog likes to take care of the permitting. We take that out of your hands. That's not something that you should be worried about. We do recommend Owens Corning, and more specifically, the Duration line of shingles. Owens Corning offers a platinum warranty, and with that comes a 25-year labor warranty and a 50-year materials warranty.
More than just roofing, Mighty Dog Roofing provides a variety of other services that can help keep your home in tip-top shape.
Gutters are a really underestimated part of the way you can protect your home from the damage of moisture. You really want to make sure that you have a good gutter system in place so that you can divert the water somewhere where it's not going to cause any damage. Changing the siding of your home can be a really nice way to give it a bit of a facelift, make it look a little bit different from, the curb. When a homeowner is choosing a new roof, the first thing that I want to understand is not just about the design, but the function. I love helping customers choose the color of their shingles. Some people prefer a more sort of contemporary or classic look, maybe a little understated. Other people like to go for something bold and bright. So that's sort of the very first set of questions we want to understand is, what is this customer going for with their new roof? One of the things I think that's special about Mighty Dog Roofing is that we're not looking to just slap on the same roof on every home we go to. One of the most important things that we do is we actually give the homeowner the full array of colors that are now available to them for an asphalt shingle. This is really one of the nice things to think about when you're choosing a new roof is, I want to make sure that that color is perfect.
This is your one-stop shop for anything related to your home's exterior.
I think homeowners would be confident in going with Mighty Dog because we have over 20 years of trusted experience, and we're fairly priced and we're knowledgeable. If you give us a call, you won't have a shingle problem.
To learn how you can update or upgrade the roof on your home, visit MightyDogRoofing.com or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.